time is very important. Mas tingin ko mas valuable pa siya kaysa sa money. For me, para magtagal tayo sa industry, so the golden rule, no? Do unto others what you would like others to unto you. Sa atin magsisimula ang change, hindi sa ibang tao. Hindi mo naman kasi makikita na magiging successful ka kung hindi mo ito try. So don't be afraid to fail.
Seasoned HR executive, certified total reward specialist, licensed real estate broker, licensed financial advisor, life, VLU, and non-life, certified situational leadership workshop facilitator at the Blanchard International, and certified safety officer practitioner, SO2. Our REBAP QC or the QC Talks featured broker for February is none other than Maria Renette Tolentino Datahan. Ma'am, good afternoon.
Hi, thank you so much.
She is the head of the Talent Acquisition and General Affairs of Nissan Philippines, Inc.
Yes, good afternoon, everyone. And I'm truly honored, no, for this opportunity to discuss, no, my REB journey.
Yes, ma'am. Magkwentuhan muna po tayo. Walk me through the Maria Renette Tolentino Datahan as a mom and as a wife, juggling everything in the corporate world.
Well, actually, napakahirap po. Lalo na I've been working for more than 33 years. I started working since 1992. So, pagkatapos ko pong graduate, nagpa-print na ako ng CV ko sa Espanya, pumunta sa Makati, at dumiretso sa mga companies, no, para makapag-apply kagad ng work.
Para ilako yung...
Yes, and after that, wala nang pahinga. As in, kapag nanganganak lang ako, yung 2 months na maternity leave, yun lang ang talagang pahinga.
Oo nga po, you have 4 children,
yes,
right?
I have 4 kids, and I'm still madly in love with my husband of 30 years. So, kaka-30 lang po namin last January. And madly because we're always mad at each other. Pag matagal na kayong magkasama, so laging nagkakainitan. Kidding aside, so it's very hard. And I'm missing a lot sa activities, no, ng mga anak ko, lalo na pag may mga special events sa school. So yun ang tingin kong napabayaan ko. Kaya lang, syempre, I need to work.
Opo.
And para din naman sa kanila yun.
In their future.
Yes.
Yes, si RBY Rebap QC naman po. Walk me through it po. How was it? Kamusta? Kamusta po yung first experience during the RGMM?
Very warm, no? And talagang makikita mo yung sincerity sa lahat na wini-welcome ka with all their hearts. And may pa-cake pa nga, no? Naswertehan pa, January birthday ko, so may pa-cake pa. Matagal na po kasi akong ini-invite, kinukulit ni Mel to join, I think 2021 pa. Sabi niya, dito ka na sa QC, Rebap QC, sabi niya ganun. Tapos ngayon sabi niya, may discount na sa membership, mag-join ka na. O sige, so finally, nag-join na ako. And I think wala namang regrets kasi sa start pa lang, ang dami ko nang natututunan. Kasi nga, as I've mentioned, corporate talaga ang background ko. So parang part-time lang talaga ang pagiging broker for me.
Would you recommend naman po other real estate broker to join Rebap? Kasi di ba na-experience nyo na nga po. So would you recommend din naman po?
Yes, actually 1 month pa lang ako sa family. No, I can say na it's a family. And ang dami ko nang natututunan. Nagpa-member na nga kagad ako sa una kasi license nga ako, non-life, no? So maraming opportunities. You'll be flooded, no, with opportunities pag nag-member kayo sa Rebap. And of course, wala namang pilitan, yun din ang maganda. And nakikita ko talagang tulungan, no? And they have very good CSR activities. So walang dull moment with this family.
Si RB, since you are focusing on the corporate world, ano po yung nagiging struggles nyo aside from dun sa sinabi nyo po na yung sa mga kids nyo ano pa yung iba yung struggles? Kasi yung, di ba yun is emotional, pwede natin i-consider as
Yes.
emotional struggle. Eh, doon naman po sa physical, kasi you're coming from Fairview, right?
Fairview. So, halos boundary na po kami ng San Jose del Monte. So, kung taga Fairview kayo, talagang napakahirap. It's a struggle to commute or to travel, no? Kahit may car ka, talagang wala kang masisingitan. So, time. And for me, time is very important. Mas, tingin ko, mas valuable pa siya kaysa sa money. Kasi ang dami mong magagawa pag meron kang time.
Sabagay. I agree naman po. Yun na lang po, give us a small message to everybody para magtagal po sa real estate or anything po na fino-focus ng mga tao.
Well, for real estate, sabi ko nga, hindi ko masasabing accident yung pagiging real estate broker ko. I was sharing a while ago na we were mandated by our previous chairman sa isang real estate company kung saan nakasama ko si Mel to take yung REB exam na wala naman akong idea ano bang what's in it for me kung kukunin ko to kasi talagang sa HR ang focus ko. So wala akong idea sa mga benefits na makukuha ko. So I just follow ko ng instruction, nag-review ako kahit wala akong time. And luckily napasa ko naman yung exam. So wala naman pagsisisi because it opened a lot of doors for me. Nakilala ko sila Mel and kayo right now. So ang daming friends at ang daming opportunities. So I'm looking na nga sa aking retirement kasi gusto ko na mag full time because I want to own my time. Kasi parang, gusto ko kasing marami akong gustong gawin. And pag kasi nasa corporate ka, tied ka talaga doon sa syempre meetings and of course the requirements of the job. So value your time kasi very precious ang time. And for me, para magtagal tayo sa industry, so the golden rule, no? Do unto others what you would like others to unto you. Yan, and be the change you want to see in this world. Sa atin magsisimula ang change, hindi sa ibang tao.
So parang ganun din naman po halos yung last na question ko na lang po. What pieces of advice can you give the younger generations to make it through the realm of sales po in the advent of technology?
Yeah, actually napakahirap right now to stay kasi reskilling. You should upskill, no? Kagaya natin, kahit na meron na tayong corporate job, meron pa tayong REB na role, at ako nag-insurance pa. So, kumbaga, i-upskill natin. Kasi hindi natin alam, baka itong role natin na to, hindi na siya bankable sa susunod na panahon, no? Or sa years to come. So, constant training, mag-attend tayo, may mga CPD trainings tayo. Let's learn and maganda naman yung matututunan natin kapag lagi tayong kumbaga may continuous learning. And sa ating mga Gen Z, ano bang generation
diba, tiniterm po sila as the ako po is millennial.
Millennial ka na. So ang napapansin ko lang, kasi ko mga nasa recruitment ako, talent acquisition, minsan job hopper, hindi sila nag-i-stay sa isa. Medyo mainipin kasi parang 'di ba ang lagi nilang gusto is to own their time and to travel kasi parang may meaning sa kanila lahat 'yun eh. So wala na yung generation namin. Meron pa rin konti-konti pero yung generation namin na nag-i-stay ng 5 years, 10 years sa isang company. So yun ang napansin ko sa recruit. So let's check at this point in time or mas maaga alamin natin kung anong bang gusto talaga natin gawin sa buhay para hindi masayang yung oras natin. So, kung gusto mo ba talaga mag-business, then by all means, pag-business ka, itry mo. And pag hindi ka nag-succeed, try again. So, hindi mo naman kasi makikita na magiging successful ka kung hindi mo ita-try. So, don't be afraid to fail. Yun lang ang gusto kong i-message sa ating future generations.
Yun, don't be afraid to fail.
Kasi yung iba natatakot mag-try. Kagaya nung kung natakot ako mag-exam,
Yeah.
hindi ko kayo makikilala, no? Hindi ma-open yung opportunity na to sa akin.
Kasi pag nag-try ka nga naman, maraming mag-open na opportunity pa.
Yes.
Yeah.
And hindi natin alam, baka doon pa tayo maging milyonaryo, no? Doon sa path na yon, no?
Yes.
Lalo na kung dito sa Rebap QC, mukhang talagang future millionaires and billionaires
naman
pag
po.
nag-membro kayo dito.
Yes. And with that, we wrap up our QC Talks. Thank you, Ms. Renette, again
Thank you
for
so
this
much for the
wonderful,
opportunity, and I hope this is not the last.
All right, thank you po.
Thank
Thank you, Ms. Renette. I really enjoyed our time. And opo, I hope this is not the last.
Yeah.
Magiging active po tayo sa Rebap QC ha, para at
Yes,
least
of
makita
course.
namin
I
kayo
will
every
support.
now and then. Okay mga ka-QC Talks, we've learned so much from Ms. Renette, and our key takeaways for today is of course to value our time. Yun yung number one talaga. Kasi our family will also benefit from it. And of course, don't be afraid to fail. And with that naman, we have to keep on trying kung ano yung mga sa profession na gusto natin. And of course, last for me is yung golden rule. Do not do to others what you don't want others to do unto you. That's it, and thank you for today.
Bye, everyone.